Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Soul LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full-width storage and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.